Okay, first thing you need to do is turn to your section called Notation. The page behind the section header, at the top, write quarter note equals 1 beat and says do. Okay, next thing, you are going to draw a circle and color it in. This is called a note head. Okay, go ahead and label that. Put an arrow, write note head. Now, put your pencil down and stare at the board. Do not write anything until I say write. There is a special place your stem must go on the note head. It cannot go one way or it's wrong. It has to go on the right-hand side of the note to look like the letter D. All right? D is correct. Woohoo! Okay. A cherry is incorrect. The letter B is incorrect. Okay, we want a letter D. All right. Go ahead and write a stem on your note head. Put a line to it and write stem. And when we're talking about, I just wrote steam. When we're talking about stem, we're talking about like on a flower, stem. Yes, I want you to label it. No, you don't have to write this unless you want to. After you've drawn your stem and you've written stem, I want you to draw 4 do's. 1. And I want to see that you have your stem on the correct side. If you want to be super cool, you would make all of your note heads the same size and all of your stems the same size. If you write your note head too big, then it's going to take you forever to color it in, and it has to be colored in, or that's a different kind of note. Okay, so 4 do's. Let's learn how to draw them upside down. Now, drawing them upside down, you're going to draw your note head, color it in. Oh, wait, let's just do it this way. Turn your page upside down. Oh, that's how you do it, but no, we're not going to do it that way. So turn it back upside. So your stem has to be on the opposite side so that it looks like the letter P. If it looks like the letter Q or the number 9, incorrect. If it looks like a lollipop, incorrect. Okay, draw 4 upside down do's. See if you can make all your note heads and all your stems exactly the same size. Turn to your neighbor and check theirs and see if they have it. It only takes you got about 5 seconds. Check to your neighbor and see if they have their stems on the correct side. And if they do, say, "Good job, neighbor." If not, show them how to do it right. Going on to our next notes that we're going to write, our due days. So at the top, you're going to write 8th note and underline that S. Yeah, it'd be good if you go to the next page. That way you can find it when we have our little test at the end of the semester. Because it's open notebook test. 2/8 notes equal 1 beat. And they say do day. Write that, please. The easiest way to draw eighth notes, or due days, is to draw a do. Actually, draw 2 do's. Go ahead and do that. And connect them. This is called a beam. Okay, just like on a balance beam. Now, all kinds of crazy things start to happen when kids start drawing eighth notes attached. I see stuff like that, headphones, no headphones. I see stuff like feet, no feet. I see things like cherries, no cherries. So the easiest way to do this is to draw do's and connect them. So you're going to draw 4 pairs of due days. 4 pairs. Now let's do them upside down. So, draw a note head, and another note head, and you're going to do it on the left-hand side and connect them. So draw 4 pairs. So no upside down people. You don't want to see them. You don't want to see any headphones or no, I don't know what that is. Lollipops, I guess. Trees. There you go. Next symbol. We have a quarter. Do this on the next page. Quarter rest. And that equals 1 beat of silence. 1 beat of silence. And to write these, it's so ZC. It's so ZC. It's very ZC. It's so Z, C. It's so Z, C. Oh, it's so Z, C, and ZC, and ZC, and ZC. Draw 4 quarter rests because they're so ZC. And we need this button for this.
That was easy.
That was easy.